The concept of what time is best, already explained this, that if you're praying publicly, then the jama'ah should be done right after Isha to make things easier. Likewise, if you're the father of the household and you want to do it for your family and they're not going to wake up at 3, 4 o'clock, then definitely do something. It's better than nothing. But if you are able to privately do something at the end of the night, and that is the last third of the night, how do you calculate the last third? The time of Maghrib and the time of Fajr. That is the beginning and end. Divide that into threes. And the last third is going to be that last third of the night. And that's typically, in our time, is going to be the last 2-3 hours before Fajr. That is going to be the prime time for Tahajjud or Qiyamul Layl. That is the best time.